Assalamu alaikum, sir. So those days is the day when Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born. In my country, people traditionally gathered together and they sing songs about Prophet Muhammad, and after that they meet, have some sweets, etc. How we as a Ahmediyya Jamaat should introduce how we Muslims should remember this day?
These traditions, this custom is not found during the time of the Holy Prophet ﷺ himself, nor during the time of his companions, his khulafa, his companions for a century or so to come. When it started, I don't know, it must have started in a later age. So nowadays they are celebrating this and singing songs and sometimes dancing. So by looking at their behavior, if you are not told that it is the day of the Prophet's birth, people would think that it's the day of some singer or someone else's birth. Because the Prophet's birthday, if at all it should be ceremonized, it should be done by sending repeated salams and durood upon him. Day and night you send durood and salam that this day was born the light personified of God. So this is the way you should teach them. And I think if you do it calmly and with love, they will understand this answer, inshallah.